now with your exercise.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2,
80几公斤哎，
4, 5.
87公斤哎，
那他身高也高啊。
壮。
1,
173的还好
2,
，170，男生173还
对，
好，
那很壮，这个。
壮
5.
壮，跟那个阿拉一样，阿拉就是这样壮壮的。你看好可爱，胖胖的。
Please introduce yourself louder, ha.
My name is Paulo Mesabani. I am 29 years old. I am married. And I have one child. My work experience is I am 3 years and 4 months as production operator, assembly and disassembly, and 1 year and 10 months as warehouse man in receiving process. And now I'm still working Samsung Electromechanics Philippines as machine operator in plating process. Thank you.
对对对，他那个挺像的。看条，对，看。I know you study the university. His major subject is police.
Sorry, ma'am.
Police lessons. Sarah， 她是在警察，她是学校是在，为什么是警察学校哈？
对，他是警察学校，
他
他要当
做
police 的 policeman。
他没有做过警察吗？
Yes, it's
So
a
have you worked as a policeman before? Have you tried?
no po, no.
他说他没有做过当 policeman。
But your university is graduated from that school. How come you didn't doing the police job? You don't like?
Yes, because my father want me to be a policeman, but my dream is to work in abroad.
哦，他说他学当 policeman，因为他爸爸要的，可是他梦想是要去国外工作。
Okay. So you're working in the Samsung
Yes.
before. So the semiconductor machine operator.
Yes.
How many? Only 1 year? Only 1 year.
Still working in Samsung.
Right now, still working there.
Yes, I'm still working there.
So why you want to come to Taiwan?
I want to go in Taiwan and work because Taiwan is giving us Filipino opportunity to work in abroad, and I want to earn more money to support the needs of my family.
这是重点哎。
Good reason.
OK。在上面有没有？
完全你跟他笑起来好可爱。
tattoo 没有。
Do you have the tattoo and the body?
No, I don't
Tattoo.
have tattoo. I don't have tattoo.
No.
No.
OK. OK，林子还问什么吗？
不会，这个很棒。然后那个你问他看起来很会，还是壮壮的而已。
对。
抬看啊，有抬过来。
抬过来
蛮厉害。
So maybe my suggestion you have to dial your weight, you know. Because
今天他们念毕业几年应该不错啊。
对呀 ，because because Taiwan got a good food, you know, so you have to dial your weight, okay?
Yes, I'm going to diet.
I'm just joking. Now, by the way, we have to mention you. We cannot sleep the outside in the dormitory. Have to stay in the dormitory.
Yes.
Cannot sleeping in the outside. Okay.
Yes.
So, do you have any friends or relatives in the Taiwan? Do you
No.
have?
No.
No.
Yes. No.
Yeah. So, who take care of your children? Who
My-
take care of your children?
My mother-in-law and then my wife.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. 林才有没有什么要问的吗？
Thank
没有，这
you.
个放在这很安全。哎，对。
对，OK. Thank you, you're coming. Thank you.
Thank you.